Hi fellas again, welcome back to my videos, and yeah, I'm very happy that someone is watching my videos. And now I have the Hilti TE76, and what's wrong with it? It's wrong that the customer cannot take out the chisel. Sometimes that happens if you use the cheap Chinese chisels or the tool holders out of order, and yeah, you cannot take it out. Now we need to take it out, of course. For the first, I want to check if it's working. Yeah, it's hammering pretty well. And okay, now I will try to remove the cap, remove the spring ring inside, and other part to remove the chisel and check why it stuck. Yep, just taking the screwdriver, removing the cap. It's good that it's a round chisel. I can remove the parts out. If this will be the flat chisel, the part will will be left here. Yeah, and as you can see, we have the spring ring here. I hope you can see it. Yeah, I believe you can see it. Now we need to stretch it to take it out, and you can do that with a screwdriver. Of course, it's a little bit harder. Maybe it's easier to do that with the special pliers for the rings like that. Of course, not everyone have them, but I had them. Okay, we'll try to push the parts down. Well, the screwdriver doesn't fit here. I will try to push it with my hand. I cannot grip it with these pliers. That means I will try to take other ones, the smaller ones. As you can see, I have lifted the spring ring, but now I need a screwdriver to take it out. Just pushing it with a I will try to put something here for you to see. Hey, the Makita battery will be good, I think. Not very good, but still better than nothing. Yep, now you can see the spring ring here. I'm stretching it and putting the screwdriver here. Okay, the pliers just split it. Just putting the screwdriver to push out the spring ring. Yeah, when you push one of the end of it, it's no way back, almost no way back. Okay, I will make the camera better, and now I can use the big flat screwdriver to push the spring ring out. Yeah, you can see that it's starting to get out. Of course, going all around the spring ring. Yeah, you can see the spark. I don't know if you've seen it or not, but it was a spark because of friction. Now I will remove the spring ring, just taking out from the chisel. Yep, and what we have now, we have the part we need. Is a flat washer. I'm just taking it out. We have the cover, taking it out. It's a one part inside. You can see that it's full of dirt. That's not good. Yeah, and we have the parts we need here. It's needles. Just taking the needle, we can check how it looks, and it looks all dirty. Sometimes the dirt is the problem. Sometimes the chisel can stuck because of dirt in the tool holder. You can check how this needle looks. It's, of course, it's a little bit worn out here, but it's still good for use. And I will remove the second one, and hopefully the chisel will came out. Yeah, now the chisel came out, and what we want to know, sorry, we want to know if the chisel is good or not. And yeah, this chisel looks good. The other thing we want to know if we can push it down all the way. Yeah, we can do that. That means we need to try to find the problem. It's, you can see that it's really a lot of dirt here, and yeah, it can be the problem here. A lot of dirt, really a lot of it. Just cleaning it with a screwdriver. Of course, it's better to clean it good, or as good as you can. Now, what we need to check now, we need to check the tool holder itself, because sometimes the problem is here in the tool holder. I will just clean the table a little bit. Yep, sometimes the problem is here inside, and I will try to make the light here and check it. What we are searching for, we are searching for two pins here and one pin here, and I don't know how to show it for you. And we can see that the one pin is here and the 2 pins is almost gone. Sorry, I cannot show it on the camera. Yep, and when they're almost gone, it's a problem because the tool can start not to hold chisel, and the chisel will spin around. Yeah, but now I think the problem was the dirt, and of course we can test it very simple, just putting the parts back. Of course we will deassemble it again if you want to check the tool, but it's better to make sure about this part, because the tool holder cost about 150 euros if I could remember, and yeah, it's a really expensive part. Okay, I'm just cleaning it a little bit, just putting this in, putting the second one in. Yeah. Yep, just cleaning it a little bit, cleaning this part, putting this one in, cleaning the cover a little bit, and yep, I'm just putting the chisel in. The chisel in, now I can get it out, and when I press, no, I cannot get it out. Now of course I can get it, but yeah, I can get it. So I need to assemble it all to make sure that the tool holder is working. I lost one of the part here. Yep. I'll put the washer here, the spring ring. Yeah, we have the part here, and now it's time to check the chisel. Insert it. Just inserting it in. It moves, and yeah, I can release it, and that means the chisel was stuck because of the dirt. And that's the reason why you need to clean your tool sometimes. Yeah, for this tool, of course, we can run it like this and until it stops, because all tools need maintenance. For the Hilti, we have the service tachometer. It calculates the working hours, depends on the tool load, and so on, so on, so on. And just the service light flashes on when you need to maintenance it. Of course, it's always better to do that before the tool stops. But for the Hilti, you still need to reset the service. About the service reset, if you are in UK, I seen the eBay listing and the company repairing the Hilti tools, power tools, and resetting the service. And I think it's a really good way. If I could remember, it was cost about £50, so it's really not much. Here in Lithuania it cost from 30 to 50 euros, so it's the same price. Yeah, okay. As you can see, the tool now can go back to the construction site, and it's really the problem was in cleaning the tool, and of course now I need to disassemble it to clean it better. Yeah, but I will not make the same I did before now, and I will make that out of camera. For now, thank you for watching. I'm always happy when I'm receiving the questions, comments, thumbs ups, and yeah, and as much views. Yeah, okay, for now, thank you for watching my videos, and we'll see you later. Bye.